Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, whatever time. It's Privateer coming to you. Box came in from Minotaur. I did cut it open already and remove the packing slip because it had personal information on it. Anyway, we're going to get into this. Okay, we got 2 broccoli cheese soups. Let's see, I think. Nope. 3 of broccoli cheese soups. Not sure what that is yet. Give me a minute. This banana bag. This is it's an oral hydration solution. I think there should be. Hold on a second. Somewhere in there. There should be 4 of those in here. Did I order the cream cheese icing? Hold on a second. Give me a second, y'all. Okay. I guess that's a gimme or a throw-in or however you want to call it because it's not on the list. But okay, cool. I'm not going to say no. All right. We have 1 pizza slice. 1 peanut butter dessert bar. Oh, how many of them is going to be in there? Should be 1 more of those. Hold on, the pizza. Okay, the pizza, there should be 2 more, which again, I'll get back to that in a second. There should be 1 more of those. I'm really sorry about my crappy skills with the phone. Cheese spread with bacon. There's going to be a few of those in there. Cheese spread with bacon. Cheese spread with bacon. There's 2 more banana powders. Trying to get all the smaller ones. Okay, there's 4 banana powders or banana bag. Another cheese spread with bacon, that covers those. Cream cheese icing. And there's another. I really don't. Peanut butter. There's a banana bag. Strawberry spice. Oh, okay. All right. That I did order that. Okay, cool. And there's 1 more of those in there, I believe. Here's the peanut butter dessert bar, the last of that. Another slice of pepperoni. Mocha dessert bar, which that I ended up ordering the last 2 of those. The reason why I know it was the last 2, because I tried to order more, but they were out. 2 of those. Let's see. Hey, another cheese spread with bacon. Okay. Another cream cheese icing, that covers those. There's the pepperoni pizza, should be 3. I got 1, I got 2. There's another broccoli cheese soup. Cheddar cheese mashed potatoes. Or cheesy bacon mashed potato, cheddar cheese mashed potatoes. Good Lord. Anyway, yeah. Cheesy bacon mashed potatoes again. Okay, vegetarian. This is actually for a friend of mine. Vegetarian Southwest bean stew. It's 1, 2 of those. Freeze-dried blueberries. There we go. Okay. Should be 1, 2, 3 of those. Yep, that's all 3 of those. Okay, I'm not seeing, wait, there it is. Okay, there it is. Third pizza slice right there. All right. Got this. Hold on a second. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, sorry about that. All right, what was in the I can't even think. The plastic white pouch with the air pockets. You get what I'm saying. I don't know why, but the brain's not working quite yet. Got 2 butter powders, 2 of the cinnamon maple sprinkles, and this one in the center here is a true strawberry spices. What it's yeah, it just says true strawberry. So I'm assuming, that's going to be a like just powderized strawberries. Don't know. It was labeled as strawberry spice on the website, so I definitely want to check that out because the name alone had me interested. Okay, this is another one. This is the January Arctic Field 24-hour ration. Blueberries, granola, pork sausage, and scrambled eggs. Give me a second, yo. Okay. All right. Anybody down with corn nuts? Let me know in the comments. Dentures. Can't eat those. But Bob did tell me there was a possibility it was in there. So, and that's another thing too with Bob. If you go to that website, that number is his personal line. And yes, the man will get back to you. No joke. Anyway, this is in that 24-hour Arctic Field ration kit. All-day corn nuts. A thing of pilot bread. Never had that before as far as I know. Okay, accessories kit. Spoon, wet wipe, coffee, sugar, non-dairy creamer, salt, pepper, 2 water purification tabs, and some candy. I'm not going to open that up, but you see what's in there. It's actually a bit of a smaller spoon, but so what? It'll work. It'll do what you need it to do. Instant milk. I do actually, hold on a second, I'm going to kind of shuffle some stuff around, because this is all going to go back into this box. Tropical Blast drink mix. Never had that before as far as I know, unless that's kind of like the one in the old school MREs, not real sure. Let's see, strawberry citrus drink, breakfast drink. This, I really do want to try this because it just sounds good. Okay, yeah, that's that one. Then you got the cherry drink mix. Seems to be everybody kind of likes this one. Never had it before, so again, gonna try it anyway. All right, when it comes to, got strawberry jam, Taster's Choice, freeze-dried coffee, all-day trail mix. Holy, good God, that's a heaping, that's a freaking 200-gram bar of Icelandic chocolate. I've never had that before, but Bob, yeah, that's going to be a snacky snack for sure, buddy. I appreciate that, man. Okay, freeze-dried pork sausage links. Another Taster's Choice. Scrambled eggs with peppers and onions. And last but not least in that box, Vanilla Berry Crunch cereal. I'm going to try that too. I'm put all this back. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to put all that back in. Then we're going to open up the mystery box and the letter, which, straight up, that's Zach who signed that one. Give me a minute. Pause. Okay, I'm back again. Sorry. This is the $25 mystery box. Doing all this one-handed, y'all. Patience, patience, patience. Thank you for your patience. Zach sent a letter because Bob is actually sick right now, tested positive for COVID. Him and his wife have to chill out for a while. I really like this. I mean, that's a straight up personalized card, man. And that's a hell of a message. I mean, how many companies send personalized cards? How many companies give you, a phone number that you can call and you're directly talking to them? This is Big Daddy Unlimited series. This is Vegetable Rice Melody. Wild Blueberry Muesli. Yeah, because I like me some frickin' muesli. This is a isotonic sports drink. Guava. Where's that? There it is. Cena, not real sure how to pronounce it. Contents of a salad, taste of a cookie, peanut butter chocolate chip. There is kale, beets, carrots, peanut butter, butternut squash, sweet potato, zucchini, peanut butter, and flax seeds. Over 1 cup of vegetables, 11 grams of protein, grain-free. I'm gonna have to check that company out. I mean, I'm not a vegetarian, but for some people who are, like my friend I'm making that kit for, I made the video the other day, this will go to her. I would like to try it myself, but, helping people out. We have a orange clear drink mix. We have another orange clear drink mix. And we have menu number 4, pepperoni pizza. This will probably be the one that I break into to do that review I told you about. So there's that. And there's, what is this? I'm not sure what this is. Bonus prize envelope. Hold on a second, I'm gonna pause again. Okay, and to wrap it up, it was inside of there was the Tropical Blast drink mix with electrolytes. That is the unboxing. Heck of a lot of stuff there. Well, it's kind of all spread out. You get the point. Lots of food. All kinds of goodness. I can't even talk right now. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.